Running a business feels like dating. You send the first message and then silence. What if your follow-up emails were smoother than James Bond sipping tea? Step 1. Don't write, just brief. Line AI or Smart Writer. AI tools that write personalized follow-ups based on LinkedIn and website data. Real Sherlock vibes. Step 2. Time them like a pro. Instantly AI to auto-schedule replies at the exact moment your lead usually opens emails. Yes, even Gary from procurement. Step 3. Test everything. Mailshake lets you A/B test follow-ups like Mario smashing bricks. Faster, better, no fluff. Step 4. Trigger replies. Set up smart automations in HubSpot or build a full sequence site with Moksy. And just like that, no more ghosting, only deals. Even Spider-Man follows up. You should too. Smash that like button.